Beachwave product review. Trying out this new Beachwave that I saw from an annoyingly random ad. From Facebook bring inis ko, pinili ko na lang saya. So kulit kasi. Moving on. So this is Beachwave S.75 white. My husband said it doesn't look like a curling iron. I don't know what he means though. Anyway, product review pala too. So far, it looks great now, man. It took me less than 10 minutes to do my whole hair. I love that it rotates by itself. Game changer. This is perfect for moms like me who doesn't have much time to fix their hair. Did this while my baby's sleeping, by the way. So let's give this 9 out of 10. 'Cause nobody's perfect. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. While I finish off my hair, I just want to say, life is short. If you love your family, get life insurance. But would you agree, what if life is long? And you love yourself? Invest in your retirement now. In any way, covered car and your family. Nice, Diva. Okay, bye.